Hey everyone, IBM just replaced around 200 HR professionals with AI agents. But wait, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Stick with me till the end. So here is the main story. IBM, a global tech company, has replaced about 200 people working in HR with AI tools, or what they call AI agents. These AI systems are not robots with arms and legs, they are software programs designed to do repetitive office tasks. Tasks like answering employee questions about salary, managing vacation requests, sending pay slips, even helping in recruitment. All of this now being handled by AI. One of the tools they are using is called AskHR. AskHR is an AI agent. Think of it like a super smart chatbot. You ask it a questions like how many vacation days I have left, and it responds instantly 24/7, no human needed. So it uses something called NLP, natural language processing. That's a fancy way of saying it understands human language just like Siri or Alexa. And it learns over time using machine learning, which means it gets better the more it's used. So why did IBM do this? Now you might be thinking, did IBM just fire people to save money? Actually, not exactly. Yes, about 200 HR jobs were removed, but IBM said they used the money they saved to hire even more people in roles like software engineering, sales and marketing, and other areas that need human creativity and decision making. In fact, IBM's total number of employees increased to around 270,300 worldwide. So, how much work did AI replace? IBM did not just replace a few tasks. They say AI now handles around 94% of routine HR work. That's almost everything that can be automated. So now HR employees don't need to do repetitive boring stuff. They can focus on real people work like conflict resolutions, employee engagement and career development. But here's where it gets interesting and maybe a bit scary. IBM CEO Arvind Krishna said in the next 5 years, up to 30% of office jobs that don't deal directly with customers could be automated by AI. That could mean up to 7,800 roles being affected just at IBM. So yes, AI is creating new opportunity, but it's also changing the game. Jobs that are repetitive are at the highest risk. So we need to adapt, learn new skills and stay ahead. IBM is not just only company doing this. Big names like Amazon, Microsoft and others are also investing in AI. And by the way, people on social media had some fun with this too. One post said at least AI won't fake smiles during team meetings. So yeah, it's a big shift and people are talking about it. So it shows how fast workplaces are changing. So if you're learning, adapting and staying curious, you are already ahead. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share and drop a comment below. What do you think about AI in the workplace? See you in the next one.